Alright, so before we get started, I wanted to show you how I store my microbits. I actually have enough to run workshops that I run at conferences and for districts and just local PD and also across the US back when we used to do traveling. So I have roughly 60 microbits and I store everything in these photo album cases, and you have seen these probably before. They're big in the STEM makerspace world. But here's what I really like about this. It allows, and you can use this for your classroom as well, easy storage. Like I could actually, if I was in a classroom, I would buy several of these and I would organize my class periods by color, maybe all my bluest first period, things of that nature if I was lucky to have that many. But what I've done with just a label maker is I've printed off a label so the kids can see exactly what needs to be on there, the 2 microbits, the batteries, and the USB cables. And then I also have them labeled bits 1 and 2. So this would help me assign the microbits to students, especially if I only had a class set and I was trying to share between class periods. This would help me at least narrow down components, wear and tear, if things went missing, who to reach out to, things like that. And then because it is just a photo album thing designed for photos, it pops right in. It's very easy for kids just to drop the stuff in and be done. We know if there's too many barriers, you know, they're simply not going to do it. So it goes like that. You just stick it in your bin and away you go. You are done. And this you could have laid out in your classroom. If you're a teacher that teaches on a cart, you could also carry this around. It would just make things really nice for you as you work. And so here you go, just kind of a snapshot here. And then finally, the other thing that I'll share, so I have these for all my microbits, but you'll notice I've got a container here for just extra batteries. I've got one just for extra bits in case one breaks down and doesn't work. I've got bins for just extra wires. And so I've got these others that are just here on standby, different kind of shield for some more advanced projects. So I've got things that I can use beyond just the microbits. And then I have a whole nother container. I'll just show you this to you really quick, and then we'll wrap this up. But this has everything else. So I'm not going to hold this up and go through every single one. But this is kind of like my multi-purpose bin, and it's a little hard to see. Let's see if I can do this without dropping all these out here. Real feat of my skills. All right, so this is my other one that I carry. This is what I use when I'm using circuit playgrounds or microbits or makey-makeys or whatever. And you can just see I've got nails and brass brads, motors, LEDs, DC motors, toothbrush, paper clips are down here, breadboards, battery holders, switches, just lots of different things in case we need it. So this helps me keep organized as well. So just a quick little teacher storage concept for you to think about. It has been very handy. I have several of these containers, not just for microbit, but like I said, for all my other components as well. All right, my friends, I hope this is helpful. And as always, stay awesome. Peace.